So last week we reviewed the Galaxy Energy 8.5 kilowatt inverter. We paired it with the 15 kilowatt lithium battery. We looked at the specs, did some tests, and the performance has been solid. But here's something interesting I noticed. Over the weekend, I left the inverter and battery powered on. No solar input, no grid power, just the system running idle. When I came back, the battery had dropped from 96% to 26%. And that's idle consumption at play. Idle consumption is the energy an inverter uses just to stay on and ready. Even when it's not powering any load, the inverter's internal components like fans, control board, and the display screen, as you can see, like very big display here with the light on, continue to draw a small amount of power. This is completely normal and happens with most inverters. Noticing the drop, we reconnected solar in here, and I'm just going to be showing you what that's like. I'll be opening this up and actually showing you what that's like. And from here also, I'll also show you how much we're actually pulling without any power in. So like I said, we basically put in the solar today, and you can see the current voltage of the battery right there and how much is actually coming into the battery right there. That's 259 watts. And from the solar input you get around 400 watts. Actually, we don't have enough sun outside, so that's actually pretty normal. So on the nothing is actually like basically connected to this currently, but you can see 138 VA actually from idle consumption, and it goes up to 161. So if you look back at what we have on solar, it's actually supplementing for that, and that's why you actually see this actually going into the battery, 259 watts going into the battery, but this is actually what is coming from we have here, and that amount is actually reflecting, the rest of the amount is actually reflecting here for idle power. On the battery, let me show you what we have currently since we put solar. On the battery, we have 33% right here, so it basically went way down. We got some MC4 connectors to actually connect this. So you cannot actually connect this without MC4 connectors. You want to make sure that you have this connected. And I see many people out there doing a lot of crazy connections and stuff like that to actually make this work. The best thing that you want to do, the only thing that is actually applicable to this, is that you use MC4s. It's more, it's for better protection, and it allows the connection to be more secure. All right, so we have our AC inputs here. So this is the AC input. I don't know if you can actually see that right there. This is the AC input. This is basically connected to a source in the office, and that's basically running there. And this is the output that we had, and yeah, so that's it. So you may ask, how come we are not connecting the entire office? The office is currently running on this, and everything basically is already connected to this place. So we have all our wiring and basically everything done here. In later videos, can we actually make videos where we actually remove this and put something else? Yes, actually, but not now, because there's a whole lot of work being done by the engineers, and most of the time it's always best for me to just put it up there and do some of those tests. And yeah, that's it.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.